These two are actually joined, you see, so this might be a better one to put in the middle. That is how we look at the minute. Now, what you can see up and under here is you see all these nails. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the pliers. I'm going to bend these back. Okay, and they're quite rusted, so by bending them back and forward a couple of times they'll just snap off. Guys, don't be tempted to leave them hanging down, because from experience you're gonna catch yourself in the head with them. So right, she's cut, just need to get her up. She's not far off. So I like to use these, guys. These are called cladding screws, roofing and cladding screws. And you see this little foam pad here with a washer on it, guys. It just makes sure that it's waterproof as much as possible.